Coming soon on Washington to Washington.
We continue our look at clean energy with the debate over where future clean energy projects should land.
So there's an ideal place on the ridgetop where the wind is the strongest.
When a large wind farm proposal came to the backyards of one county in eastern Washington, some residents protested.
The Tri-City Cares has had a number of concerns with this project from the very beginning,
while others welcomed the potential work.
Just the money that our members will be making, 2.5 years, 1,000 construction workers on this project at its peak.
Off the coast of Washington, a debate over the prospects of offshore wind.
Especially in winter months, when other resources like solar or wind are not as good, offshore wind in particular is actually perfect.
If offshore wind projects are put here and it causes economic harm to our commercial and recreational fishery, they don't have a lot of room. They're not making a lot of profit.
Our primary concern is what it might do to the overall ecosystem.
Despite concerns over offshore development, tribes look to become energy independent on their own.
My goal is to be 100% off-grid within 10 years. It's a big goal, but I think it's achievable.
And a visit to the Federal Pacific Northwest National Laboratory's new grid storage launch pad.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
As researchers work to capture wind and solar energy when the winds aren't blowing and the sun isn't shining.
We have seen dramatic growth in the energy storage industry over the last 5 years.
The leadership that's being shown here is going to lead the way for the rest of the world as well.
From the capital of Washington State to the capital of the United States, that's next time on Washington to Washington.